Hey, how's everybody doing? It's Matt from Crypto Coffee, and today I'm going to change things up a little bit and make a video about cryptocom and CRO token and MCO as well. And I want to do an overview of the app because I've been pretty infatuated with it lately, and it's going to be a little bit different than the videos I've been doing recently about Hex. So don't worry, there's way more of those coming on the way, but I wanted to just deviate and talk about this new app and this new product that I think is also really exciting for a crypto user. Especially for a crypto, newbie or kind of somebody that's just getting onboarded too. It makes the transition between fiat and crypto really easy because it puts everything into terms that we're all used to seeing. These are all, the app is full of features that you might see in a typical banking app, although it is designed much better than a lot of the banking apps I've seen. And I mean, just the transition into different various cryptocurrencies is just so seamless with this app. And so I want to talk about not only what the app can do, but also what the tokens do, and also how you can use this in your day-to-day finances to make some money. Because that's what we're all here for, right? We all want to know, how can we make money in crypto? And I think crypto.com does a really great job. So let's get into it. This is the home screen right here, and I'm casting my screen on here just to show you. And I've kind of been experimenting with almost all the features, as you can see. So I've got my base crypto wallet. I've got my crypto earn account. I've got my normal fiat wallet. And finally, I've got my MCO Visa card. Now, if you saw my last video, you know that the MCO Visa card is where you have to actually lock up MCO tokens. They used to be known as Monaco tokens, but they've rebranded a little bit. And as far as I know, that's really the only use case for these MCO tokens. So once you log into crypto.com and make an account, if you want to get their Visa card, their Visa debit card, and actually spend money and earn cash back in crypto, which is a really great feature, but that's pretty much the only feature that MCO unlocks you and enables you to do. I don't really know of any other use case for MCO token other than speculation, as always. If I'm missing something, let me know in the comments below, but basically what MCO does is you buy 50, 200, 1,000 of them, and you lock them up and you put them away for later. And you have to lock them up for 6 month increments of time. So that's what I did here, and I just got to, I purchased 50 MCO tokens, and I got the bare minimum. And that's what really drew me into this app in the first place, is you get this really cool metal debit card that I got in the mail. And in order to get that, you have to voluntarily stake your MCO tokens in your crypto wallet. So you can see here I've got my crypto wallet, which we can go into at first. And you can see I've got mostly just MCO tokens and a little bit of Bitcoin. So at first I bought 50 MCO just to get that red ruby steel intro level credit card. Now you actually can get a credit card for free if you want, but you only get 1% cash back. And with the red card, you actually get 2% cash back and this is what it looks like. I've got it in real life too. It's actually got some weight to it, so it feels really nice. It looks very futuristic, and it's one of those cards that just looks unusual. So, I mean, I just love the look and feel of it, and I love the fact that I'm getting 2% rewards and cash back. And let's go into those full card details, right? So you can see now, because I've staked 50 MCO, I get 2% cash back. I can have that in crypto on everything that I spend it on, and I also get 100% cash back on Spotify. So when you link this card to your Spotify account as the main payment account, what happens is every month you actually do get transacted from Spotify, but you get reimbursed quickly by crypto.com. So that's the gist of this token, right? No charge, metal, anywhere Visa's accepted. Pretty easy to use anywhere. And you also can see that you've got some easy settings on here, like you can freeze your card, you can enable international usage at any time, reset your PIN number whenever you want. Just a very user-friendly experience. And I've topped up my card with a little bit of USD just to experiment. Nothing crazy. So let's go back to the homepage. So that's the crypto wallet itself. Now, you also have the general fiat wallet, which we'll go into next. And this is really the on-ramp that's going to be huge. That's going to get a lot of people using this app. I mean, it already has gotten so many new users, but I mean, the number is growing every day, and that's actually reflected in the MCO and the CRO price, right? The more people that are buying these tokens, I mean, granted, a lot of these people are probably buying for speculation, but a lot of these people are buying because they want the product and they want to stake their CRO or their MCO. And that's only going to make the price of these tokens go up, right? And so in order to buy these tokens, you need to link basically your crypto.com account to one of your other banks. And crypto.com essentially acts as a crypto bank for you. Now, again, this is a trusted third party, which is why, I'm not going to use it as my one-stop shop for everything. But it is nice to just have a bank account that is very crypto friendly. And I think going forward, crypto.com is going to be kind of my primary bank account just because it's more fun for me and there's much more potential to earn interest on my funds when they're not being used. I mean, imagine being able to earn 18% interest on money that's just sitting in your debit account that you don't touch. So, I mean, it's just like accelerating your savings like tenfold. And we'll get into that in a minute. So that's the Fiat wallet. I'm not going to get into linking the bank and all that. We'll go back to the home page. And let's see, I showed Crypto Wallet. Now let's talk about Crypto Earn. Crypto Earn is something I just started today, which I'm very excited about. Oops, that's not it. Crypto Earn is where you can actually take all your various cryptocurrencies, almost like, the selection is unbelievable of the cryptocurrencies you can choose to stake. But basically, you can choose to lock up the cryptocurrencies that you own for either a 1 month or a 3 month term, or a flexible term, which means you can withdraw it at any time. But if you lock it up for a 1 month or a 3 month term, you get higher percentages of interest paid per annum. So that PA means per year. And crypto.com coin, otherwise known as CRO, is what's going to pay you the most cryptocurrency percentage-wise. So you could see here, I've locked up my CRO for 3 months. That's the longest term available. And you have to, something I learned is that you have to lock it up in increments of 10,000. Now, it's worth about 4.5 cents today. So at this time, that's about $450 that you're going to have to lock away at the bare minimum. Definitely you can lock more, but just to let you guys know so you're not surprised, that's how much it costs. Now, if I tap this plus button over here, you can see the page sheet pop up that actually shows me all of the other possible things that I can stake. I mean, you've got all the good projects like Maker, DAI. I mean, some of these projects are debatable, right? But Bitcoin, let's say I wanted to earn money on my Bitcoin that was just sitting in here. Well, you can see here if I lock it up for 3 months, I'm going to earn 4% on that Bitcoin. So if you've got Bitcoin just sitting there and you're okay with basically a third company knowing about it and owning it, and you're okay with that Bitcoin potentially, getting taxed and sent to the IRS and all that, and you're ready for those complications that are involved with that, then go ahead and do this because, I mean, if your Bitcoin is just sitting around, you can earn 4% on it. Now, I'm personally not going to do that. I'm more interested in the CRO token just because that's the maximum percentage of gains that you can get. And it's also the token that you get paid back with in your debit card rewards. So whenever I earn my 2% cash back, I earn that back in CRO. So I figure why not just accumulate CRO? My mentality and my mindset behind that is because kind of if everyone else is going to be doing this, like the incentive with this app is they want you to buy their token, right? CRO is its own blockchain. It's owned by this company. And they have all these different incentives and tricks in here to get you to not only buy or obtain CRO, but to stake it with them and to not spend it. So the rewards are paid back in CRO, and the highest 16% to 18% interest that's paid to you is only for CRO. Now, I mean, if that's not a great incentive, I don't know what is, but this means that people are not only going to be demanding this coin, but putting it away and not selling it because of the term periods, right? So you're always going to have a portion of people not selling their tokens. And now as people's stakes become unlocked, they're allowed to sell them, but it also kind of mentally hooks you in. And, once you realize the gains that you achieved in 3 months, you're only going to want to keep doing that, right? So psychologically, it's almost like if you want to just ride the wave of this herd mentality for the next bull market, I don't think it's such a bad idea to do with just a little bit of your side money, you know? So I hope I explained that in a way that made sense. And then also, you've got general features down here like crypto news. You've got total market cap of everything, and you can track all the coins you love on here. It starts off with just tracking Bitcoin, CRO, and MCO. But, CRO and MCO have been having a really good month. I remember buying my MCO at $4, and now it's at $4.80. So that $200 that I initially spent to get the 50 MCO to get the card is now worth like almost $250, right? Or $225. But it's all in the green, right? And that's because of, again, the incentive structure to get people to not only buy the coin, but to not sell it and not dump it on the market. And you've got all these people. Every new user that comes into this platform is and should be a potential buyer of MCO for the main product, the debit card, and CRO for the secondary product, which is the rewards points and the earning interest. So that's that. This middle button here at the bottom is kind of like your dashboard. I've already kind of covered the wallet, the home screen, the track, and the card. And this is just kind of another one-stop dashboard to access all the different features. And the only real feature in here that I haven't talked about yet is pay and rewards. And pay and rewards are kind of linked together. So pay is actually, you can buy gift cards. And when you buy gift cards, you can earn up to 10% cash back when you actually spend your crypto. And again, they're using CRO as their primary motivator. So if you spend CRO, that's how you can get up the 10% cash back. Let's go down here and check this out. Yeah, see, how do I get pay rewards? You get pay rewards by purchasing gift cards via the crypto.com app under pay and using CRO as the payment method. So yet another hook to hook you into using CRO. So if you do want to spend your crypto, the way to get rewards on that crypto and up to 10% cash back is by spending the CRO token, right? So they've got the whole life cycle covered, from acquisition to locking up to even spending. They want you to basically live and breathe CRO token. And you can buy popular brand stuff like PlayStation, Nike, Airbnb. I'm not going to be doing any of this stuff. I'm looking at CRO as just a nice side investment, almost like a debit account that grows. It's just my spending money, So you can buy stuff if you want. I'm not going to tell you what to do with your money. But that's the pay feature, right? You can also send money to friends. And actually, they incentivize you to even send to friends as well. So you can see here that it automatically identifies people in my contact list that already own this app. And these are some of my crypto friends here. If I send them money, I actually earn 10% cash back if I send them crypto. Let's go back and let's get out of here. And now let's get into the rewards part, which is really the coolest and easiest way to make a quick buck on crypto.com. So here's the rewards screen, and you get a referral bonus of $50 paid to you in MCO. That's not CRO. You get paid the rewards in MCO for every referrer you get. Now, I referred one person, as you can see, and I would love if you were a referrer too, because you get $50 as well. It's super easy. You get $50, I get $50, and you basically get 20% off of your debit card if you choose to buy one. So I'll be sharing my referral code in the link below. I highly suggest you click on it just to at least play around with the app if nothing else. And then you can refer your friends too. It just makes crypto so easy. You've got your rewards that are tracked from the pay feature, your rewards that are tracked from the referrals, and your rewards that are tracked from cash back. You can see I've got 4 cents in the card cash back section, so I'm kind of balling right now. And I think you can refer as many people as you want. I think that's what this symbol is indicating, but I don't know. I guess I'll let you guys know when I get there. So let's all start referring people. And if you're going to be in crypto anyway, why not get a cool bougie debit card to brag about it? And why not just have an account where you can set aside a token that's very likely to increase in value? And again, not a financial advisor. Don't just do what I say. But I mean, check out the charts on crypto.com coin. You know, it definitely had a spike in about July, but it's calmed down to about a let me get rid of this ad, to about a low of 2.5 cents, and now it's been on a tear. It's been on a bull run, so the TD sequential's at a 5, and it's sitting at about 4.5 cents right now, with RSI somewhere in the middle, and it just broke through a resistance line. We can even go to the daily and zoom in. We're even looking bullish on the daily. Again, we just broke above the long-term 200-day moving average. I mean, I don't want to get into trading too much, but you could just see that CRO USD is looking pretty good. Let's check out MCO USD just to kind of do a quick check. Here's the daily on MCO USD. You can see it's definitely pretty far away from all-time lows. And this coin's been around for longer, right? Because this is the coin that they started with. Looks like all-time lows were at about $1.59. But since then, it's had a higher low at 250, 260, and now it's steadily rising up to almost $5. And it's definitely peaked before, so it's got some resistance at this 750 range. But hey, I think from here till there, it's kind of a free ride up. Again, I'm not really a professional trader at all, nor is this financial advice, but sequential's looking good on the daily. We're in bullish territory. Let's see on the weekly as well. This kind of gives us almost a better picture. Yeah, we've got the low looks like it's been in, and it looks like it was in on December 17th of last year. And now we just kicked off a green 2 above a green 1 on the TD sequential. I'm using Tone Vase's method if you guys can't tell. And then we're above the moving averages, so positive territory. RSI is looking neutral. I just think the coin's future looks great, and I think that the app itself is very fluid. So again, I'll post my referral link in the description below, but I highly suggest you check this out. You're not going to get 16% interest paid to you in any of the traditional financial products. So although this is a custodial wallet and you might have to pay tax implications on it, I don't think it's that bad if your money is just parked somewhere anyway in terms of fiat. So if you've got fiat parked somewhere, it might be wise to just kind of switch over and start using a more crypto-friendly app until they start selling our data and making a big mess of it, right? So click on the referral link in the description below and let me know if there's anything else about crypto.com that you guys want to see. Coming up next, I think I'm going to start making some videos. I'm going to continue making Hex videos, but also going to get into Uniswap, which is a really cool new DeFi application, as well as MakerDAO and DAI combined with Compound, and getting into other ways of making money and earning returns and ROI in the crypto markets, and just how to really prep for the upcoming bull market, right? Now, don't forget that if we do have another bull market, there will be a top. And so these aren't necessarily holds forever, but I think for the next 2 to 3 years, a lot of these projects are pretty interesting to look at. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Check out crypto.com by clicking the link in the description, and have a good day, guys.